About this item: multi-compatibility: 1 USB charger cable with 5 different connectors, compatible with Nintendo NDS Lite, new 3DS, XL/LL, 3DS, XL/LL, 2DS, DSi, XL/LL, NDS/GBA SP, Game Boy Advance SP, Wii U, PSP 1000, 2000, 3000. One professional charging cable meets all, cost-effective and charge-convenient. This compact and lightweight multi-charging cable can charge up to 5 gaming consoles simultaneously. No need to purchase multiple separate charging cables, making it especially suitable for game lovers with diverse gaming consoles. Standard USB interface can easily charge your devices from any USB port, such as power bank, wall charger, and car charger. Always ready for games at home, in the office or on the go. Supportable system support for Windows 7/8, 498 SE/me/2000/XP/Vista. Fast and safe charging. Provide maximum stable charging speed of up to 2A for your 5 gaming consoles. Thicker copper core and durable material that withstands 5,000 times bend test, make you worry-free about the charging speed and safety even when charging 5 consoles at the same time. Package and warranty comes with 5-in-1 USB charging cord, 1 cable tie to keep cables organized, 30-day money-back and 12-month warranty. Any questions? Please feel free to keep in touch with us in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: multi-compatibility: 1 USB charger cable with 5 different connectors, compatible with Nintendo NDS Lite, new 3DS, XL/LL, 3